Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been really busy for me lately, and I think I haven't been able to film in like 1 or maybe 2 weeks. Anyhow, I'm back, and today we are going to do another video, and I am going to show you how I did basically my process on how I did look four of My Love for McQueen series. And this time we're going to do another red ensemble because it's almost my birthday. And don't ask how old I am, please. Okay. Now, this look is going to be from Alexander McQueen's Resort 2020 collection. So, enough talking. Thank you. Enjoy this one, guys. Bye. Alright, did I just say enough talking? Of course not. I'm going to keep on talking. And okay, so just like all the time, I kind of started with a light drawing already, and now I'm finalizing it with an HB pencil. I always start with the face. The size of the head is basically a decider on the proportion of the whole body. It also helps me create a mood for the look. Now, look number 4 for this series is basically a red belted leather jacket with a peplum, with a voluminous gathered tulle skirt. Fun! Oh yeah, here we go again with the ruffles. Literally my fingers hurt and I had to take short breaks in between these. Sometimes doing repetitive drawing like these are the most challenging. But hey, it looks good! Now let's move forward to coloring this. I think for this project, I used 2 shades of red and 2 shades of gray markers. Alright, so some of you might ask, why do I have to use like 2 or 3 shades of the same color? Well, it is necessary to use different shades of the same color because the change of value in each color is important in creating shadows and highlights to make a picture appear 3-dimensional. Alright, now let's color the face! And yeah, now let's go crazy with the red marker on this one. Alright, again, you see me here adding another layer of a different shade of red to create, well, shadows and maybe highlights to emphasize the movement of the soft tulle skirt. Now, if you think this is too much, later I will add another layer of colors using pencil to add more drama. Alright, on with the pencils. So basically, I use color pencils to create transitions or mid-tones to blend the colors together. Somehow it also helps me add texture to the clothes. Now, here you see me using white pencil to add highlights to the folds of the skirt. While the red pencil, a sharp one, take note, I am using to create or maybe mimic the grain of the tulle fabric. And of course, let's not forget the black pencil. So this I will be using to create that harsh cast shadows. Cool. Alright, and to clean our work, I will be using 0.1 micropin, or this is basically just a drawing pen. Now, I like doing this because it actually makes my project look really sharp and clean, and I think a lot of people love it. Can you see it coming to life now? This part of the process really makes me giggle sometimes. Okay, maybe not giggle. It makes me happy most of the time. I love it. Alright, now we're done. And here, let me show you the finished project.